Do you qualify for the Earned Income Tax Credit? No matter how much money you make, paying taxes can feel like a charity donation for a billionaire. It's true, many of us work long, hard hours and don't claim the essential tax breaks we deserve, like the EITC. After paying rent, buying groceries, covering childcare and health costs, it can be difficult to make ends meet. That's where the Earned Income Tax Credit comes in to save the day. The EITC can give back your hard-earned money when you file your taxes. It's designed for people who are on a low to moderate income, to give them a helping hand with their expenses. But not everyone can get this tax break. You have to meet certain criteria to be eligible. 1. You need to be a U.S. resident with a Social Security number that is valid for employment. 2. If you invest in treasury notes or bonds, you can't make more than $3,400 in interest during the year. 3. Your earned income can't exceed the current limit for the year, which should be between $15,000 and $50,000. The actual figure depends on how many children you have. 4. Finally, your children have to be younger than 19 and no older than 24 if they are full-time students. You get a bigger tax break when you have more children. 5. If you don't have kids, don't worry. As long as you are between the ages of 25 to 65, you can still qualify for this credit. As you can see, it's not so hard to get a tax break. Want to know how much money you will get back? Some people qualify for a few hundred, while others might get thousands of dollars back. Just hop over to www.OkCalculator.com and try out our EITC calculator. With just a few simple questions, we'll let you know how much of a credit you'll get on your taxes this year. After all, you worked hard for it. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to our channel and share this video. Unified knowledge is power.